What's up, online shoppers? I have in my hands one of the best-selling instant read meat thermometers you can get. Now, this is an essential for grilling and griddle work. It is such a great little thermometer. I love it. I gift this to people all the time because it is hands down my favorite digital thermometer I've ever used. Now, let's open this up and see what's in the box. Now, this here has an ultra fast read. It's going to register a temperature in between 2 and 3 seconds. No more holding a thermometer and burning the hair off your fingers while you wait for your meat thermometer to register a temperature. As well, this is what you get with it. Now, I don't have a steaming hot piece of meat to show you this, but I can also show you with cold how fast this registers. Now, something else that's pretty cool about this is the battery comes pre-installed. So out of the box, you don't have to do much with this. They do have this little screen protector here that I'm going to pull and remove. And then the battery is in the back. So I'm just going to take a handy dandy little quarter here, turn it, and pop off the back. And the battery is already installed. They even provide you with a backup battery. So file this one away in your utensil drawer for the next time you need it. Okay, all is good in there. We're just going to pop that back on, grab my quarter so I can reattach this here. There we go, nice and tight. And this stays off until you open this up and extend the probe. Now that you've got the probe out, this is ready to read. So right now, that temperature it's reading for you is just room temperature. I also want to show you a couple things. Here's our thermometer all closed up. Now to activate it, all we have to do is open the probe and the temperature turns on. Now you can see that the display is backlit a little bit, and if you are using this in dark circumstances, all you have to do is press the light and it lights up really nice and clear for you to see. Now you can change this from Celsius to Fahrenheit, just like that. Nice and easy. And you can even set a temperature, like a minimum and a maximum, just by pressing hold. This is a really nice little thermometer. I of course love this handle right here for holding on. And I love that they also give you suggested temperatures. There we go. We have suggested temperatures for all your different kinds of meat right in there. Now let's see how fast this starts to register a temperature. I'm going to open it up to turn it on. And I've got a cup of cold water here. I'm just going to put this in and let it read. You can see how fast the temperature dropped. It's dropping, 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 dropping. This is a great little thermometer. I think this is a must-have grilling essential for your favorite barbecue aficionado, or even if you do a lot of work in the kitchen, like you've got a roast in the oven and you want to see what the temperature is. Another great thing about this is that it's water resistant, so you don't have to worry about when you're washing it. Now, don't put it in the dishwasher, but you can certainly use a damp cloth to clean it off in case it gets greasy or some of your barbecue juice on it. I gift this to many people for so many reasons. This Alpha Griller's instant read meat thermometer is fantastic. It automatically shuts off as soon as you close the probe and automatically turns on as soon as you open it. It is convenient, it's sturdy, it's durable. It's got that as well, and at my house, it's definitely a family favorite.